Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation for today. Don't allow someone to make you feel like you're not good enough. How do you kill a dream? Well, you tell it to a small-minded person. People with small ambitions will only give you negative responses. So what if their neighbour's cousin's girlfriend tried to start a business and failed? You aren't her, and I bet she learnt so much from the failure itself. Do what you want to do, and shut out the noise coming from the haters out there. They are only jealous that they don't have the guts to even try and do something with their own lives.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.